GBPUSD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video, we'll talk about pound against dollar. So before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe, like and share. If you're old to the channel and you haven't subscribed still, then why are you here again? If you can't subscribe and like, get out. You will watch my videos every week and you will not subscribe and like and you will come back and watch every week. Why? I don't get it. If you're here for the first time, subscribe and like and share. That's your job. Nobody makes videos for themselves, right? I don't think you understand what I'm saying. Anyways, below the video, we have a link that says Swing Like a Pro. So if you want to enter and exit with me, then you can join this program, Swing Like a Pro, and you can check out these recent setups and feast your eyes. Okay, so do that. And then if you want to speak to me, you can book consultation right here. And you can always join my free Telegram. Okay, so coming back to the chart, starting the top-down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, we are above the EMI. That's all you need to know. Weekly, we are above the EMI. Daily, we are below the EMI. 4 hour, we are below the EMI. Look for shorts after each pullback in 4 hour. That's all. 4 hour is below the EMI. Daily is below the EMI. Okay. Go back to 4 hour and enter short after each pullback. That is what you get in free analysis. If you want to enter and exit with me precisely, then join this program. Subscribe, like, and share. Till then, take care.